Now we are going to learn the new term, that is accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. You write down in your notebook, accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. What is meant by accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity? This is the structure of 2,5-dichloronitrobenzene. And in 2,5-dichloronitrobenzene, there are 3 sets of protons on benzene ring. These are the 3 sets of protons on benzene ring. This is HA type of proton, this is HB type of proton, and this is HC type of proton. Now we have to learn accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. In this example, proton B and C, although they are chemically non-equivalent, these two protons are chemically non-equivalent because for HC proton, nitro group is at meta position, but for HB type of proton, nitro group is at para position. Therefore, proton B and C are chemically non-equivalent. But it is observed that the chemical shift value for proton B and C is nearly same. Write down the term. The proton B and C are chemically non-equivalent. Proton B and C are chemically non-equivalent, but they have same value of chemical shift. For HB and HC, they gives the doublet at 7 point. They gives the doublet at 7.5 delta ppm. They gives the doublet at 7.5 delta ppm. This is because both HB and HC proton couples with HA. Why they use doublet? Because both HB and HC type of proton couples with HA, and according to n+1 rule, as they couples with HA, they gives doublet at 7.5 delta ppm. But coupling of HB with HA and HC with HA is different. Remember that coupling of HB with HA and HC with HA is different. Then also they gives the doublet at 7.5 delta ppm. Such type of observation is known as accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. Such type of observation is known as deceptive simplicity or accidental equivalence. Thus, the protons which are not chemically equivalent, but they have same value of chemical shift, such type of protons are known as accidental equivalence protons. And the spectra obtained is known as deceptive simplicity. Then we see what is in case of HA type of proton. HA type of proton couples with HB. There is coupling between HA and HB. That coupling is known as AB coupling. That coupling is of the type meta coupling. It is meta coupling. A type of proton also couples with C type of proton. Coupling between proton A and proton C. That is the para coupling. Proton A couples with B, it is meta coupling. Proton A couples with proton C, it is para coupling. In spectra, there should be double doublet. When it couples with B type of proton, it gives doublet. And when it couples with C type of proton, again each line of doublet splits into two lines. Therefore, we should get double doublet in the spectra. But actually in spectra, for proton A, for HA, triplet is observed. एक minute. For HA type of proton, we get the triplet. And that triplet is obtained at 7.9 delta. Triplet is obtained at 7.9 delta ppm. This is for HE. Again, look towards that example. In case of 2,5-dichloronitrobenzene, there are three sets of protons, A, B, and C. In that case, proton B and proton C, although they are chemically non-equivalent, they give the signal at 7.5 delta, and they give the doublet as they couples with HA type of proton. Such type of observation is known as accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. In that case, HA proton couples with HB. That coupling is meta coupling, and the value for meta coupling is, the value is 2 to 3 hertz. The value of meta coupling is 2 to 3 hertz. That is the for meta coupling. But for para coupling, it is 0 to 1 hertz. What is the difference? The para coupling is 0 to 1 hertz, meta coupling is 2 to 3 hertz. But in actual spectra, the coupling is obtained at, 1.6 hertz. Thus, the spectra is non-first order, but it looks like first order. The spectra is non-first order, but it looks like first order because the splitting takes place according to first order rules. First order spectra, which is the first order spectra which obeys n+1 rule. And according to n+1 rule, for HA there are two adjacent non-equal protons, it gives triplet, and HB and HC gives the doublet in the spectra. And such spectra is known as deceptive simplicity. Actually, these protons are not equivalent. Remember that. And HC, for HA we get the triplet. That is the signal for HA. And that is the signal for HB and HC. HB and HC. That signal is obtained at 7.5, and that signal is obtained at 7.9. According to non-first order rule, HA should give double doublet. HA should give doublet. HA should give double doublet, and also HB and HC also gives double doublet in the spectra. But actually in the spectra, HB and HC gives the doublet and HA gives the triplet. That is, although protons or spectra is non-first order, it looks like first order. Such type of observation is known as deceptive simplicity. Note down in your book. Although spectra is non-first order, the spectra looks like first order. That is known as accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity.